Administrators review scripts to understand how a business rule is built before they make or validate changes. By default, Rule Designer opens the rule in graphical mode, where components and templates can be added to the rule's flowchart. After a business rule is created and saved, you can edit it in graphical mode or switch to script mode when you need to inspect or edit the generated script. Selecting a script component shows the code for that component, so you can review a focused section of the rule, not the complete rule script. Rule Designer displays the script for all components in the rule. To review the full business rule script, select the Begin component and switch from Designer to Edit Script. If the business rule contains shared components, such as formula and script components, or templates, the script of the business rule contains only references to the shared components and templates in the script editor. You can view the complete generated script of the shared components and templates on the Script tab. Line numbers are displayed by default. You can hide or show them while reviewing or editing the script. To help navigate long scripts, the Go to Line Number feature allows you to jump to a specific line number. Auto Suggest helps you insert supported functions and parameters. As you type the first characters, press Ctrl+Space to display suggestions. Use Search to find values or text strings in the script. Use Find and Replace to update repeated text more efficiently. For scripts with long lines, you can wrap the script to display lines that require scrolling in multiple lines. The script line numbers are maintained when you enable text wrapping. Collapse or expand grouped sections to hide or display sections of the code for easier viewing. You can also compare scripts of business rules to see differences between a saved version. The comparison displays the scripts side by side and marks differences with visual cues. Cues identify added, deleted, and changed lines. For the full list of visual cues and script editing options, see the Designing with Calculation Manager for Cloud EPM documentation. Here are a few considerations when editing rules in script mode. When you select Edit Script in an ASO rule, the script is automatically converted to Groovy. If you then save the rule, the script is saved in Groovy and cannot be converted back to graphical. To preserve the graphical formatting, select Save As and save the rule with the Groovy script with a different name. When you select Edit Script in a BSO rule, the graphical rule is converted into script mode that is based on calculation script syntax. To convert the script to Groovy, select Groovy Script as the script type. Do not use these keywords when editing in script mode. Start component, end component, start rule, end rule, start template, and end template. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.